Basic rules of women's health. You might be amazed to discover that so many aspects of women's health can be controlled by a healthy diet. There are studies to prove everything from PMS and menopause to breast cancer can be reduced when you follow a healthy diet. This being the case, we need to find a way to raise awareness of women's health. When you look back at women's health over the centuries, I believe we were never in such a privileged position. Although there are aspects of women's health that have become worse, generally we are living a great life. In Australia, we have access to all the latest information, and as a result, are living longer. In comparison, you look at the levels of women's health of our neighboring countries, where they have no access to healthcare and even the basic needs of life like clean water. On the other hand, we are spending a fortune on miracle cures and bottled water, yet we still don't understand the basic rules of women's health care. Let's take a look at them. 1. You must increase your intake of fruit and vegetables. Fresh fruit and vegetables are the major source of nutrients and are critical for maintaining women's health. You need to be eating at least 3 to 5 servings of fruit and 6 to 10 servings of vegetables. This will contribute towards a reduction in the vast majority of women's diseases. 2. You must exercise. It is imperative that you increase your exercise levels. We know women's health is improved with regular exercise. You need to be combining both cardio and weight-bearing exercise for full benefits to women's health. So try to lift some weights, do something like yoga and also brisk walking to cover all areas needed for good health. 3. You must find inner peace. Of all the things necessary for women's health, this is probably the least recognized. It may be because most reports are written by men, but I cannot stress the importance of self-worth in looking at a woman's health. The way you feel about yourself has a direct connection to a woman's body, and you will find a lot of diseases occur after some kind of emotional trauma. We must help women understand their own needs, and guide them towards a suitable method of doing this. There is one program available which does this. The program guides you towards a positive approach to women's health. It covers food choices to reduce disease, ways to get the maximum benefit from exercise, and also some really powerful methods to increase self-worth and love. All these have an amazing effect on women's health and are necessary for the well-being of all. We should be encouraged to find out more, so we can be providing a good example to our daughters. It is a crime to be living in an age of advanced information, yet still neglecting the basics of well-being and women's health. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.